Local news for Tuesday the 5th of September. Forest Enterprises, the Masterton-based forest investment and management company, has appointed a Gisborne-based regional manager to boost the management of its 10,000 plus hectare forest estate in the Gisborne region. Managing Director Steve Wilton says our forests in the Gisborne region make up half of the total forest estate we manage, so the increased and ongoing harvest up there will be significant for us. He says we're experiencing this growth in the Wairarapa too, and we know from experience that having a senior manager on site provides all-important continuous local expertise as well as relationship management. More than 490 hectares of harvested area in the Wairarapa this winter have been replanted. Last month's QV House Price Index shows nationwide residential property values for August increased 4.8% over the past year, which is the slowest annual rate since August 2012. QV National spokesperson Andrea Rush says quarterly value growth has dropped across the Auckland and Wellington regions. However, value growth is particularly strong in the South Wairarapa and Masterton markets. And in sport, the Knockout Cup finals were played at the local football competition over the weekend. Masterton Reserves taking out the plate, and a penalty shootout was needed to separate Greytown and Douglas Villa in the cup final. Greytown taking that out 5-4. For local news and sport for Wairarapa TV, I'm Brent Gare.